For this family, their holiday begins the moment they arrive. The accommodation is spotless. The beds are ready. Everything feels safe, welcoming and prepared. Later, the youngest child turns on the shower. It is an entirely ordinary moment. And that is precisely how it should feel. But behind that ordinary moment sits a responsibility the guest may never see. Water may have remained inside the shower hose between bookings. Warm weather may have increased cold water temperatures. Scale and organic material may have accumulated within the showerhead. And where water stagnates, biofilm and potentially harmful waterborne bacteria can find an opportunity to develop. The accommodation may look perfectly clean. Yet the greatest water safety risks are often the ones nobody can see. Meet Sarah. She and her team are responsible for guest safety across hundreds of guest accommodation units. Some units were occupied last night. Others have been empty for several weeks. Different showers were installed at different times, and maintenance work has been completed by several teams. Sarah is not trying to manage one shower. She needs to know that every shower, in every accommodation unit, is safe and ready for the next guest. And if a complaint or incident occurs, she must be able to prove that the right controls were in place. Would you feel confident facing that question with incomplete records, inconsistent products and no immediately visible replacement history? We are entering an increasingly litigious environment. Following an allegation, illness or water quality incident, saying that a shower was probably maintained may not be enough. Investigators, insurers and legal teams may ask, what product was installed? When was it changed? Was it suitable and compliant? What controls were in place? And where is the evidence? The financial consequences can extend far beyond replacing a showerhead. Investigation costs, emergency remediation, lost bookings, accommodation closures and reputational damage. This is why prevention must be both effective and easy to demonstrate. The Challis Ag Plus Sentinel scheme provides a simple, cost-effective additional line of defense at the final outlet. The showerhead is manufactured using silver-ion antimicrobial technology, providing continuous antimicrobial protection within the product. Inside the Sentinel hose is an innovative 99.9% copper mesh structure. It remains in contact with the water flowing through the hose and helps inhibit microbial growth while disrupting the conditions in which biofilm can become established. Together, the Ag Plus showerhead and Sentinel hose provide enhanced protection at the very point where water reaches the guest. No complicated installation. No disruption to the accommodation. Simply remove the existing showerhead and hose and fit the Challis Sentinel units. Quarterly color identification makes the replacement program instantly visible. A quick inspection can confirm whether the correct showerhead is in place and whether it corresponds with the scheduled change period. Add Challis asset tracking, and every replacement can be recorded against the individual guest accommodation. The product, the date, the location, the person completing the work. Now Sarah does not have to assume the job was done. She can see it, and prove it. By standardizing showerheads and hoses across an estate, you can simplify purchasing, reduce inconsistent replacements, improve maintenance efficiency and create a clear audit trail. More importantly, it strengthens prevention before an incident has the chance to become a complaint, a closure or a costly claim. Because the most economical incident is the one that never happens. Your guests may never know the work that goes into protecting them. But you will. At Challis, we do not simply supply showers. Our showers come with peace of mind, and the quiet confidence of a job well done. Every shower, every guest, every time. Challis Ag Plus Sentinel. Simple prevention, visible compliance, proven peace of mind. Talk to Challis about a cost-effective trial across a selected group of guest accommodation on 01628 529024 or email info@challisms.com.